So if you use a free version of the WIX, your domain name will start with your name account right here as Sena's tutorial, and we can call it the first section and will be followed by a WIX site. So your name.wixsite.com, which indicate that I use a free of WIX site, and then we can call it by second section, and then it will be ended by a domain URL. As for me, it's tutorial with Sena, and we can call it as the third section. And then to change the first section of URL, this Sena's tutorial, you can go to your top right corner of your screen and then click on your account and then go to account settings right here. And then here on account info on site URL prefix, you can change the name of your first section of the URL. So the first one is Sena's tutorial, and I can change it to tutorial with Sena, for example, and then click on save. And there you go. If I go back to the previous section, as you can see, my first section of the URL right now is tutorial with Sena, not Sena's tutorial. And then to change the third section of the URL, right here on tutorials with Sena, you can just click on the specific site and then click on select and edit site right here. And here on the dashboard, you want to look to the left side of your screen and then scroll down until you find these settings right here. Just click on it. After that, you want to scroll down a bit until site, domain, and SEO, and then click on website settings. And then again, you want to scroll down right here on the site address of URL. Here, you can just change your third section of your links. Just click on it and then change to whichever you like. So for example, I want to change it to how to YouTube. And there you go. You want to make sure you include this strip right here on each of the word and then click on save right here at the top right of your screen. And there you go. Right now, I'm successfully changing my first section and then third section of my URL links. And then the last one, to change the second part of the URL, on the wixhelp.com right here, you need to actually upgrade your account to the premium version. To do it, you can just go to your Wix dashboard of the specific website that you want to change, and then go to the bottom of your screen and then see this upgrade now. You want to click on it, and then here you can choose any plan of the premium one. As you can see, each of it was offering a domain change, so you can just click on any of it. Keep in mind, to change the URL of your site, you need to actually publish your website before. And that's how to change domain names on Wix. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.